Namaste dear students, welcome to the English class. Hope you are all fine and enjoying learning English. I am glad that we could meet today. Students, you have all successfully completed all the activities of Unit 4 and now it's time to begin with Unit 5. So all of you open your textbook of English, Unit 5, Activity 1A, page number 52.
Isha wants to make finger puppets. She needs some material. She is at a stationery shop.
What do you want?
I want card papers, color pencils, a pair of scissors and a glue bottle.
How many card papers do you want?
2.
How many color pencils do you want?
3. Black, red and yellow.
Here they are.
And also a glue bottle.
50 ml or 100 ml bottle?
50 ml.
Fine. Here it is. Take them.
Uncle, how much is the bill?
80 rupees. Here is your bill.
Here is the money. Please count the money.
Thank you.
This conversation is between Isha and the shopkeeper. Now it's time to do activity 1B. I read the instruction. All of you pay attention in your textbook. Activity 1B. Work in pairs. Read these details. Frame questions and answers. વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, આપણે અહીં જે ડિટેલ્સ આપી છે એના આધારે ક્વેશ્ચન્સ ફ્રેમ કરવાના છે અને આન્સર્સ તૈયાર કરવાના છે. Let us see the example given here. 1. Pencils, box, 10. વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, અહીં પ્રથમ અને બીજા વર્ડના ઉપયોગથી આપણે ક્વેશ્ચનની રચના કરવાની છે. લાસ્ટ વર્ડથી આપણે આન્સર તૈયાર કરવાનો છે. હવે હાઉ મેનીથી ક્વેશ્ચન કરીશું કે હાઉ મચથી એ કેવી રીતે ખબર પડે? લુક એટ ધ ફર્સ્ટ વર્ડ હિયર, પેન્સિલ્સ. જો કાઉન્ટેબલ નાઉન હોય, પ્લુરલ હોય તો હાઉ મેનીથી ક્વેશ્ચનની રચના કરવાની. જો અનકાઉન્ટેબલ નાઉન હોય, સિંગ્યુલર હોય તો હાઉ મચથી ક્વેશ્ચનની રચના કરવાની. તો ક્વેશ્ચનની રચના કેવી રીતે થશે? હાઉ મેનીથી. કેમ? કારણ કે પેન્સિલ્સ છે, કાઉન્ટેબલ નાઉન, ઓલ્સો પ્લુરલ નાઉન. So the question is framed with the help of how many. How many pencils are there in the box? And the answer is 10. ખ્યાલ આવી ગયો? ફર્સ્ટ વર્ડને જોવાનો. કાઉન્ટેબલ નાઉન છે, પ્લુરલ છે તો how many. અનકાઉન્ટેબલ નામ હોય, સિંગ્યુલર હોય તો how much. Now let us look at the second one. Water, bottle, 300 milliliter. Now look at this one. Is it a countable noun or uncountable noun? याद करो. Milk, curd, tea. એના જેવું જ છે. Water. Very good. It is an uncountable noun. Plural નથી જો વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો. There is no S here. So it is definitely an uncountable noun, water. So we will prepare the question with the help of how much. Let us prepare it. All of you also please write it down. How much? Then let us use this word, how much water we cannot use are here, so is there. Here it was in the box. Here bottle is given, so we will use how much water is there in the bottle, question mark. All of you please write this down. And the answer is 300 milliliter. Isn't it easy? Very easy. Let's take the third one. Ice cream packet 10. વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, અહીં ક્વેશ્ચન ફ્રેમ કરવા માટે આપણે આઈસ્ક્રીમ અને પેકેટ્સને સાથે લઈશું. Number of packets is 10. So we will frame the question by using how many. The question બનશે, how many ice cream packets are there? Ice cream અને packets ને આપણે સાથે લીધું. Packets is a countable noun. So the question is, how many ice cream packets are there? And the answer is 10. Let us take the fourth one. Days, year, and the number of days given here, 365. Now children, you should work in the pair and try to frame the question and the answer on your own. Look at the example and try to frame the question here. It is a countable noun and a plural noun. So how many થી question frame કરશો કે how much થી? How many days are there in a year? The answer is 365. Let us take the fifth one. Let's read the details. Tea packet 500 grams, 250 rupees. The question framed as, how much tea is there in this packet? 500 grams. The next question prepared is, how much is for this packet? 250 rupees. વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, અહીં બે પ્રશ્નોની રચના કરવામાં આવી છે. પ્રથમ ક્વેશ્ચન આપણે જે રીતે તૈયાર કરતા હતા એ જ પ્રમાણે છે. How much tea is there in this packet? 500 grams. 1, 2, 3 અને 4 માં જે પ્રમાણે ક્વેશ્ચન બનાવ્યા એ જ પ્રમાણે છે. This is something which is a new question for us. And you can see here, with the help of how much, you can ask question about the price also. How much is for this packet? 250 rupees. Students, so far we have prepared one question. But now we will have to prepare 2 questions and 2 answers. Students, let's take the sixth one. Let's read the details. Soap bars, packet 4/36 rupees. We have to prepare 2 questions and there are 2 answers for that. Let us look at this word, soap bars. યાદ કરો, કાઉન્ટેબલ નામ છે, પ્લુરલ છે, તો આપણે ક્વેશ્ચનની રચના કેવી રીતે કરીશું? Good. We will use how many. Let us prepare the question. How many soap bars then are there in the packet? And what could be the answer? This one or this one? This is about the rupees. આ તો નંબર ઓફ સોપ બાર વિશે છે. સો ધ આન્સર ઇઝ 4. વેરી ગુડ. આપણને સૌને આ રીતે ક્વેશ્ચન કેવી રીતે ફ્રેમ કરી શકાય એનો બરાબર અભ્યાસ થઈ ગયો છે. હવે we have to prepare the question for this answer. Look at the example number 5. કેવી રીતે પ્રશ્નની રચના કરવામાં આવી છે? How much is for this packet? મની વિશે વાત કરવામાં આવી છે. That's why the question is asked with how much. How much is for this packet? And the answer is 250 rupees. તો એ જ પ્રમાણે આપણે ક્વેશ્ચનની રચના કરવાની છે. Let us write our question here. How much is for this packet? The answer is 36 rupees. We'll have to write down the symbol also. Alright. Please write this down in your textbook. The first question is asked with the help of how many? કેમ કે અહીંયા countable noun છે, plural છે. Here it refers to the money, which is an uncountable noun. That's why the question is asked with the help of how much. આપણે આ પ્રમાણેના પ્રશ્નો બાકીની એક્સરસાઇઝમાં બનાવવાના છે.
Let's read clue number 7. What is given there? Shampoo, sachet and rupees 3. How do we pronounce sachet? Repeat after me. It is called sachet. Very good. Now let's frame a question. Here we are given shampoo, and shampoo is an uncountable noun. We know when there is an uncountable noun, we frame question with how much. How do we frame the question? Let's make it. Write down in your textbook how much shampoo is there in the sachet. Students, look in the clue. Are we given answer? No, but we are given the price. It is only rupees 3. જો 3 જ રૂપિયા હોય તો કેટલું શેમ્પુ આવે? ફક્ત 1 ml કે 1.5 ml આવે. So let's write down the answer. 1.5 ml. Students, you can also write like this. There is 1.5 ml shampoo in the sachet. Here we are given the price of this sachet, and we know when the price is given, we frame the question with how much. Students, in clue 5, we have already prepared questions with how much. How much is for this packet? Similarly, in clue 7, we are given the price of sachet. The price is rupee 3. So we'll frame the question with how much. Write down in your textbook how much is for this sachet. Look in the clue. What is the answer? Oh, rupees 3. Write down. Now let's read clue number 8. Here we are given 8 GB pen drive and the price is rupees 300. વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો થોડું ધ્યાનથી જુઓ, પ્રાઇઝનો સ્પેલિંગ ખોટો લાગે છે કે નહીં? હા, તો ત્યાં Z છે તેની જગ્યાએ C લખી દો. ચલો ફટાફટ સુધારી દો. વેરી ગુડ. Now here we are given the price of 8 GB pen drive. The price is always an uncountable noun. So we'll frame question with how much. Write down how much is for these 8 GB pen drive. What will be the answer? શોધો. Yes, the answer is rupees 300. Write down in your textbook. વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, આ જ પ્રશ્નને બીજી રીતે બનાવી શકાય? યસ, ઓફકોર્સ. ચાલો તો બીજી રીતે આ પ્રશ્નને બનાવીએ. હાઉ મચ does 8 GB pen drive cost? Now write down in your textbook. How much does 8 GB pen drive cost? And the answer remains same. The answer will be rupees 300. Very good. Students, let's take clue number 9. What are given here? Wheat, sack, 100 kilogram, and the price is 2400. Let's read the question. How much wheat is there in the sack? The answer is 100 kilogram. What will be the next question? How much is for this sack? The answer is rupees 2400. Now the last clue. Here we are given iPod, memory and 4 GB. We know memory is an uncountable noun. Can we count memory? No. So let's frame a question with how much. Students, write down how much memory is there in the iPod. What will be the answer? Yes, the answer is 4 GB. Now, we are not given the price, but I think now you are able to ask questions to know the price. Let's frame our questions to know the price of iPod. Are you ready? Let's write down how much is for these iPod. વિચારો શું જવાબ આવશે? જવાબ તો આપ્યો નથી. શું આવી શકે? 4 GBનું આઈપોડ છે. બરાબર. We'll write down the answer ₹250. So students, we read all the 10 clues and then we frame questions and answers. So students, now let's move towards the activity number 1C. There is one beautiful advertisement. We have to read the advertisement. Are you a music lover? Souls of Entertainment. Singer Aditya Nayak and Anjana Yagnik. Guitar Abhimanyu. Drum Munaf Patel. Flute Ninad. Shows Saturday and Sunday. 18th, 19th April. 10 a.m., 2 p.m., 8 p.m. Adults ₹250. Students ₹120. Students, I hope you must have understood that the advertisement is about music. Now it's time to find out the answers from advertisement. Open page number 54. Activity 1D. Here we are given 7 questions. Let's read out the first question. On which day can you go for the music concert? Read the advertisement. Where are the days? Okay. There are given 2 days. Which are they? Saturday and Sunday. So we can go for music show on Saturday and Sunday. Let's write down the answer. વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, અહીંયા યુથી પ્રશ્ન પૂછ્યો છે, માટે આપણે જવાબની શરૂઆત આઈથી કરીશું. લેટ્સ સ્ટાર્ટ. I can go for the music concert on Saturday and Sunday. Now let's read the second question. It is a very easy question. Let's read it out. How many shows are there? Look in the advertisement. Here we are given 10 a.m., 2 p.m. and 8 p.m. It means there will be 3 shows. So write down the answer. The answer is there are 3 shows. Very good. Now we'll read the third question. How much will your mother pay for the music concert? વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, તમારા મમ્મી એડલ્ટમાં આવશે ને? સાચી વાત. તો તેમણે કેટલા રૂપિયા ચૂકવવા પડશે? વેરી ગુડ. What will be the answer? The answer is ₹250. અહીંયા તમને your mother કીધું છે. So we'll start our answer with my mother. Write down. My mother will pay ₹250 for the music concert. હવે જુઓ એના જેવો જ નીચેનો પ્રશ્ન છે અને ઇઝી છે, આવડશે ને? હાઉ મચ વિલ અ ક્લાસ A student pay for the show? Look into the advertisement and see how much a class 8 student has to pay. Yes, very good. The answer is 120. Let's write down the answer. A class A student will pay rupees 120 for the show. Let's read the question number 5. How many singers are there? The answer is there are 2 singers. Very good. Let's read question number 6. Who are the singers? What will be the answer? Yes, Aditya Nayak and Anjana Yagnik are the singers. Now the last question. Which instruments do the artists use? The answer is the artist use guitar, drum and a flute.
Today's question is how many days are there in 7 weeks? પ્રશ્ન ધ્યાનથી જોજો. How many days are there in 7 weeks? અને તેના માટેના ઓપ્શન્સ છે ઓપ્શન A 50, ઓપ્શન B 42, ઓપ્શન C 30, ઓપ્શન D 49 અને તેના માટેનો નંબર પણ આપેલો છે 6357399480.
I have enjoyed the lesson very much. I hope you also have enjoyed it. And I hope now you all will frame questions with how many and how much. So students, keep framing questions in English and also try to answer the questions in English and practice it well. See you afterwards.